The wind energy Hamburg trade fair made a return to northern German city on Tuesday following a COVID-19 pandemic-induced hiatus. The fair lasts until September 30th under the motto, "It's time to put climate first." According to the organizers, the trade show for the international onshore and offshore wind power industry features 1,400 exhibitors from all over the world. A separate conference is also held simultaneously to address the growing demand for green hydrogen. Data from World Wind Energy Association show that Germany increased its wind power capacity by 1.7 gigawatts in 2021. On a global level, China made by far the largest contribution to the expansion of wind energy by installing more than half of the 97.5 gigawatts added last year.